Going, guys, it's going off grid, and we're making some decent power, 4,500 watts. But today we're making a solar panel video, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about right now. So today we got these Bouge RV solar panels. They sent them to me for review, and I got them paired up with my lithium solar generator, or power it as they call it. And these panels, let me show you the back here. Let's see if I can focus. Here's the specs here on the back. 50 watt, 17.6 volts, under load 2.84 amps, short circuit is 3 amps. And we are getting that, actually. We're getting the amp rating, but this has a PWM charge controller, so it does not, we're not going to get the full 50 watts out of this without an MPPT charge controller, which I will be hooking up later. But here we have a DC amp meter. We're zeroing it out. We are getting 3 amps. It's putting out more than it says it can. This is supposed to be short circuit, and it's actually pushing this at about 12 volts, which is extremely impressive. So we're getting at 12 volts, so it's about 36 amps, or sorry, 36 watts with a PWM charge controller. So 36 watts each. They're rated for 50 watts each, but I have no doubt that these will do 50 watts each, and we're going to look at that as soon as I get the MPPT charge controller out. And these, apparently the cells are made in the US. I got to do some more research, but that's pretty cool. And they reinforce the backing at the back, so there's a lot more copper in the back, so I guess so the joints and stuff don't break. You can see how wide those connections are in between at the back of the panel. So that's pretty neat. And there's no lines in front of the solar panels. I'm pretty sure that's why these are so efficient. And they're just tiny. Like, they're for 50 watts. It's a pretty small solar panel. Anyways, let's get the MPPT charge controller and hook it up. Okay, so the setup. The sun, oh, we're getting some haze now. The haze is moving in. I gotta do this quick. Here's the voltage on the panels. I got them hooked up in series. We got 8.3 amps at just under 12 volts. And, oh, there you go, 8.5. Not doing too bad, actually. That's what? That's about 100 watts, isn't it? I believe that is. And that's what these are rated for, 100 watts for 2. We're getting a lot better amp output. I also have very small wire. It's definitely going to hold it back a little bit, but it's not going to, it'll only be a few watts. It's not going to be a huge deal. And this is not ideal light conditions. Oh, we might just be, we might get another clearing here in a second. When we do, I'll bring you guys back so we can look at this meter and see what kind of amps we get. This is just a EP Solar 10 amp MPPT charge controller. You can do a little bit more than 10 amps actually. You can accept 130 watts in at 12 volts. We got 100 watts. There we go. Doing pretty good, guys. I'm gonna calculate that and see how many watts we're putting out. Just like I thought, it's overproducing. It's making, like, sometimes it makes up to 105 watts. That's incredible. To have a solar panel that, especially this late in the year, it's October, middle of October, we've got haze in the sky. Right now we don't though, but the angle of the sun is definitely not ideal. But we're actually making more than the rated output power for these solar panels, which is really impressive. All my other solar panels, I got these guys over there. Unless I get cloud edge effect, I never see the rated power. Same with those big guys up there. Especially these guys over here. never see the rated power. But yeah, that's really impressive. And it's not like I just put them out here. They took them out of the freezer or something, put them out here. They've been sitting out here for a while. So they're warm to touch. Oh, one other bonus. MC4 connectors are hooked up properly, so that's a big thumbs up. Oh yeah, look, we're even shading the panel just ever so slightly. Let's do that and see what we get. I'm gonna re-angle this one as well. See if it goes up. Oh, it did go up. Huh. That's crazy. Okay, well, I think we're getting into into the haze, so that's it for this test for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I really like these panels. They're on Amazon, I believe, for around $100, so not a bad deal for flexible panel. They are flexible. Let's see here if I can show you. So they're not like, you can't fold them obviously, but I mean, they're semi-flexible. They're seem pretty dang durable. I'm going to be taking these up north when I go camping now, and it's going to be the Pirate's mate from now on. So you'll see this in the videos that come, and I'll let you know how they hold up. See you guys later.